Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for April 13th, 2026. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button on the Weather Guru on the way in. Today, ladies and gentlemen, this will be looking at the severe thunderstorm watches and warnings as well as tornado watches and warnings. And we have a few courtesy of Radar Scope, two in tornado warnings, one in Wisconsin and one in Minnesota. The Wisconsin one expires in 30 minutes Central Daylight Time. It's in Taylor County. We have hail greater than 1.5 inches here in Taylor County, Wisconsin. Once again, this includes places like Jump River and Hawkins, Wisconsin. If you please seek shelter, tornado and ping pong size hail. The radar indicated rotation here. This includes Hannibal County, roads D and N, and the Mondu Flowage area. So move to a basement or interior, lowest the floor of your sturdy building away from windows, as we have a radar indicated tornado on the ground of hail core surrounding it of 1 inch to 2 inch hail, as you can see here in purple here. You can see a little hook echo here. So if you're in those areas, once again, if you're in Hannibal, Wisconsin, Taylor County, roads D and N, county roads D and N, and the Montage Flowers here, there's a tornado warning for your area. Now in Minnesota, we have greater than 2 inches hail. You can see the heavy purple core here that's highlighted here, and Louisville and South Branch, Minnesota. Blue Earth counties, Martin counties, and Watonwan counties, tornado radar indicated 2.5 inch hail with this system here on the back end of the real flank downdraft. Tennis ball size hail reported, and a tornado on the ground. So South Branch, Truman, and Louisville, Minnesota, please seek shelter for the next 45 minutes as this tornado warning. National Weather Service in the Twin Cities in Chasanson, Wisconsin, issuing this tornado warning at 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time today. Please seek shelter immediately for southwestern Blue Earth County, northeastern Martin County, and southeastern Watonwan County in south central Minnesota. There is a tornado on the ground, radar indicated, and it's going to affect Truman, Louisville, and South Branch, Minnesota. And this tornado warning goes on for the next 43 minutes, according to Radar Scope. And you can see purple here. This is heavy hail core coming down, greater than 2.5 inches for that area. So you want to seek shelters. I put this in motion here. You can see it racing off here to the northeast, to the east at 34 knots here, east-northeast at 14 knots. This cell here, this whole complex. So you want to seek shelter. Elsewhere, we have severe thunderstorm warnings in Goodhill counties, Goodhull counties, in Minnesota for, once again, 2.5 inch hail, heavy hail, not tornado warning, just severe thunderstorm warning for Lake City, Minnesota, Frontenac, Maiden Rock. You guys are in some of these cities. Plum City, Minnesota, as I zoom out here. This is all south, about 2.5 hours south of Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. And then also in Iowa, Indiana, and Ohio, we have severe thunderstorm warnings here. Once again, this is hail that's up to 1 inch to 2 inches here. As you can see, these cells, and they're all moving east-northeast through Indiana, Ohio, and Iowa here, as well as Michigan. Now we go down south. We have one in Texas here. This is for Baylor County, Seymour being the county seat there in Texas. Once again, this severe thunderstorm warning in Texas remains in effect till 6:15 Central Daylight Time. Once again, we have 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail as it continues to make its way to the east-northeast here. Once again, north-northeast at 34 knots here. Hail, and we also have 60-mile-an-hour winds. We also have 60-mile-an-hour winds as well. So once again, Texas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, you have the majority of the severe thunderstorm warnings here. As I zoom out here, you can see those severe thunderstorm warnings that continue. But we also have currently we have flash flood warnings in effect for Minnesota and Wisconsin too, because there's heavy rain on the outer peripheries of these warning boxes here. So green warning boxes indicate flash flood warnings in effect for Minnesota. Once again, for the same counties, Goodhull County, and there's also a flash flood warning for Wisconsin. Those heavy rains in Marathon, Portage, and Wood counties here in green boxes here. So if you're coming out of Wausau, Wisconsin, Mansfield, Wisconsin, over there, you want to be in there because this is heavy rain that's going to cause training, and some of these cells are going over the same areas over and over again. Michigan also, in Manistee County here, we have a flash flood warning observed here, flash flood downstream of Tippy Dam, the dam operator says here. So they cause a flash flood warning for Manistee County, observed flooding here. Once again, and so that's also continuing here. This is also in this is in northern Michigan here, on the western coast here. As you can see, there's some showers advancing here across the Great Lakes here, across Lake Michigan. As more showers point 30 miles across. So this will be here within the next hour and a half. Once again, for Manistee, flash flood warning for you. So you want to be careful. Take shelter. It looks like a dam breakage there, as the people have been reporting that. So once again, these are severe thunderstorm warnings and watches. Thank you for joining. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll talk to you in the next episode. This is the Weather Guru signing off. Take care.